Welcome to Lubera, the Swiss fruit and berry plant producers and breeders. My name is Markus Kobold. I'm founder and breeder of Lubera at Lubera, and today I'm talking about how to produce citrus trees and how to chip put citrus trees. These all will be citrus trees on stems, and they were chip putted now. And the rootstock is Poncirus trifoliata, which is 100% winter hard till minus 30 degrees Celsius. And I want to show you how it works, this chip putting of citrus trees. And of course, we are the northest citrus nursery in the world, doing some 1,000 own citrus trees this year, the first time this year. This is Ryan doing the work together with his colleague. And he is now cutting a chip. You can show the chip, Ryan?
Yep.
Yeah, that's a chip with an eye, with a sleeping eye. Yeah. And now he is doing the chip on the rootstock. Yeah. He's cutting out the chip from the rootstock. And then he's setting the chip in. And then a second one. Because
the second one's in.
The second one is already in.
Okay.
Then it goes to the colleague who is binding and protecting it. We can look to the binding process. Yeah, like this. So the contact between the chip and the stem is good, thanks of this plastic we are doing around. And so in the next 2-3 weeks, it has time to make contact, to make bridges between the chip and the rootstock, and then we can take away the plastic, and the whole thing will grow next year. So then next year, the crown will be grown of these citrus trees, all winter hardy varieties, till minus 12, minus 15 degrees Celsius we are putting here, and so 2019 they will be sold and they will be for sale. So we look again to Ryan's work. So cutting a chip, Ryan is a little bit nervous. So you have seen, yeah. So the chip. Yeah. Taking a chip away from the rootstock and then setting in the fresh chip. It's so easy. I would like to have such an easy work, Ryan. So, and then the second one. So again, cutting the chip. Yeah. And bringing it to the stem. That's it. Thanks a lot, guys. And how many you have to do still?
I think we've got another 1,000 to go.
Okay,
So,
okay.
Slow process, but it's getting through it. So yeah.
Thank you, Ryan. Have a good time.
Thank you.
Where have all the flowers gone? I know where. Here you go to Lubera.co.uk with all our breedings and thousands of more plants. Here you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, and now pick the flowers.